नहीं दुनिया वो नहीं है नारायण सर हाँ नारायण सर Hi, hello, good morning, my dear legendary students. Welcome back to online webinar class. This is Krishna, HOD in Studying College. So, good morning, Sandeep.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Samreen, Nandini, Snehita. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Shuhani, Chandana, Sri Bha.
Good morning.
Aparna, okay. Sri Bhavana, you coming new admission?
No,
Good morning, sir.
Bhavani, okay, okay. Good morning, Sandeep. Bhavani, okay, okay. Bhavani, I know. Mahalakshmi, okay. Yesterday absent, Mahalakshmi. Maha. Yesterday absent, na? And Shirisha, Snehita, and Mahalakshmi, okay, done. Afroz, you must be on, okay, done. Your notes is visible. And Sai Priya, okay, done. Rajasri, Praveen, okay. Now, so today we are going to start a new topic, that is we are discussing about protozoal disease, the mandible visible. Bhavani?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Thank you very much. We completed amoebiasis, leishmaniasis, trypanosomiasis, right? Yesterday we completed. Today, that is very important thing. That is malaria. What happened, ma? Malaria. So today we are going to discussing about the malaria disease. Okay. So this malaria, this visible, ma? Visible, Sandeep?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Salma, right? Okay. Malaria. What is mal? What is area? So malaria is nothing but it's a you know very well. Please nothing but dirty area, dirty dust. Okay. So nothing but dirty and dust areas, right? Area means area. You know very well area. Okay. So that means those are the peoples that are working in. So those are people that are working in the dust area. Okay, in the slum. Okay, that means Malathimba slum areas, that area, and third, those are peoples working in that area. So that people affected. The disease, the disease is called the peoples which are suffering from those peoples working in a dirt areas, dust areas, and slum areas. That disease is called malaria. That is called malaria. Okay. So you know very well. So this malaria in 1884. Okay. So in 1884 for the first time. Okay. So for him, right? So in the 1882, for the first time, this malaria disease was discovered by. Malaria disease was discovered by Charles Laveran scientist. Charles Laveran scientist. Charles Laveran scientist was discovered the malaria disease. Okay, he given the definition. He discovered malaria disease. How? That means those who are the people that are working in the dirt areas and malarias stuck out on the okay net problem untadi. switch on your video. This is mandatory for him. Kanraj. Okay. So this is mandatory, ma. You must be switch on your videos. Clear? Okay. First year nadustundi. Okay. So see, coming to some network problem here. I solved that one. See, now audible to visible. Ma.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, so the malaria means what, ma? Those are the people, so they are working in the slum areas and dirty areas and dusty areas. That people are affected to malaria disease, right? So for the first time, the Charles Lavarin in 1882 to 84, he was discovered, what happened, ma? So the malaria disease. Those who are the peoples, they are working in the dirty areas, slum area, the peoples are suffering from the malaria disease. So, malaria was discovered by Charles Lavarin. Charles Lavarin. That's why the Charles Lavarin is known as father of malaria. So, what ma? Father of malaria. Father of malaria disease. Okay, very important. Okay, now later, okay, very important thing. So this disease, later definition in 1884, later what Manson scientist. Manson scientist, these malaria disease which is occurred from one person to other person, which is transferred from one person to other person. So through the mosquitoes. What happened, ma? Through the mosquitoes. So that is was given by Manson scientist. Who scientist, ma? Manson scientist in 1884. Manson scientist, the malaria disease which is occurred, which is the malaria disease which is occurred in especially for human beings. That is especially for that means through the malaria. That means mosquitoes. So Lavarin said those are the peoples, they are working in dirty areas, slum areas. But Manson said in that area, okay, in that area, through the mosquitoes, through the mosquito biting, disease to be occurred. Exactly not said particular definition, right? That is Manson said. Now, I would like to coming to the point. In 1895. In 1895, okay, 1895, the malaria which is caused by, remember one thing, ma? Malaria which is caused by, okay, by biting a mosquito, okay, of course. But, so the malaria which is caused by one parasite is there. The protozoal parasite is there. That parasite exactly discovered by Uzma. So that is none other than Sir Ronald Ross. What, ma? Sir Ronald Ross.
Ronald Ross.
Sir Ronald Ross was particularly the disease which is transferred from one person to the person, okay, through the biting, of course, according to Manson, right? But so here the disease which is caused by one protozoal parasite is there. That parasite is called Plasmodium. What, ma? That Plasmodium, of course. The malaria disease which is caused by the protozoal parasite, that is called what, ma? Plasmodium. It was discovered by in which year, ma? 1895. Who's, ma? Sir Ronald Ross. Sir Ronald Ross. These Plasmodium, he said, what happened, ma? These Plasmodium, very important thing, please, Plasmodium, this Plasmodium stage which is transferred from one person to other person by biting of mosquito. By biting of mosquito. Okay, now clear, understood? These protozoal parasite stage, Plasmodium stage, okay, so that is which is transferred from one person to other person. That means malaria transferred from transfer from one person to other person, okay, by biting a mosquito. Actually, the malaria which is caused by how? That means kaisa hota hai? Come on, tell me. So wo hota hai Plasmodium. Okay, okay, Plasmodium. In 1995, this is the one of the important factor. Exactly. Remembering one thing, ma. In 1897, August 20. 1897 August 20. 1897 August 20. The Ronald Ross. So a very important thing, ma. So now Ronald Ross was observed particularly sexual life cycle in mosquito stomach. Okay. So what happened, ma? So completely these Plasmodium vivax sexual life cycle. Plasmodium vivax sexual life cycle takes place in what happened, ma? So mosquito stomach. Mosquito stomach. So completely he was discovered the cycle is called whatever the cycle takes place in the female mosquito. Okay, so that is Anopheles female. Anopheles female, right? So that's why, okay, completely. In which year, 1897 August 20 exam. So that is what happened. So many sporocysts are there. So many sporojoints which are formed in the stomach of the mosquitoes. Whatever the life cycle is completed, Plasmodium sexual life cycle completed in the mosquito. Total this cycle was discovered in 1897 August 20. What happened, Rajashree? Any doubt? Rajashree? No doubt? Okay. So don't discuss.
No, sir, no.
Okay. So in 1897 August 20 was completely discovered the sexual life cycle in the that means Plasmodium sexual life cycle takes place in the host of mosquito stomach, right? So total this cycle is known as one of the name that is called Ross cycle. What happened, ma? Ross cycle. What cycle? Come on, tell me, beta. What cycle? The cycle is called what, ma? Ross cycle. Once again, I repeat. In 1897, August 20, so this Ross scientist, Ronald Ross, was discovered the completely sexual life, Plasmodium sexual life cycle takes place in the stomach of the mosquito. Right. So there are so many huge sporozoites are there. These sporozoites, then these sporozoites are coming to the saliva, then by biting of these what happened, mosquitoes from one person to that person. These what happened, infection stages of which are transferred from one person to other person. Completely the cycle takes place in the sexualization takes place in this mosquito. That's why it's called, the cycle is called what, ma? None other than on the name of the scientist. What happened, Sir Ronald Ross. Okay, and the name, the cycle is called Ross cycle. What happened? Ross cycle. So clear. Okay, now, right? Now, on the research of this field, on the research of complete this history of this mosquito and mosquito research and Plasmodium research, that's why he got the Nobel Prize in the service of, if the not discovered the disease, so many, nearly, come on tell me, nearly nowadays also, then compared to COVID-19, so malaria people, they are died, huge, nearly 10 millions for 10 millions of the peoples were died. 10 million people were died due to the suffering of malaria disease in India also. Every one thing. Okay, now that my concept okay clear. Then compared to COVID-19 also, malaria people were died. Okay, how much? 10 million per year. Remembering one thing. So then compared to malaria very severe. Clear. So that's why the malaria completely discovered by Sir Ronald Ross. That's why he got the Nobel Prize for the discovery of this research. He got the Nobel Prize in 1902. 1902 Nobel Prize. He got the Nobel Prize, in which year? In 1902. Okay, this is an important thing. Clear? Now, coming to the point, see, this is an important about the brief history of what happened, malaria. Now, let us coming to the point one by one step. One more important, I forgot. August 20 is a malaria day. Atma, August 20 is a malaria day. Which day, ma? August 20 is a malaria day. Remembering one thing. Clear? Okay. Okay. Now coming to the point. See, caused by malaria is caused by come on, tell me. So mainly Plasmodium. Okay, Plasmodium. Plasmodium protozoan parasite. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium protozoan parasite. Clear? Now, remembering one thing, these Plasmodium parasites are 4 species are there. Plasmodium parasites are one. How many species are there? 4 species are there. Okay, now, right? So Plasmodium vivox. Okay, Plasmodium vivox. This Plasmodium vivox is called what happened, ma'am? Benign tertian malaria. These Plasmodium vivox to cause to our disease, the person suffering from the effect of this Plasmodium vivox, the disease is called what, ma? Benign tertian malaria. What, ma? Benign tertian malaria. Simply benign malaria. Simply what we can call it? हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? Benign malaria. Benign malaria बोलते हैं. ठीक है? So Plasmodium vivox to cause to in human being the disease is called benign tertian malaria. What, ma? Benign tertian malaria. Got my concept? Okay, right? Swapna, Samrin, clear? Rajasri, Maha, Sandeep. Okay, now. So now let us come into the point. See, first species. Second one, Plasmodium oval. What, ma? Plasmodium oval. This is second species. It is called mild tertian malaria. What, ma? Mild tertian malaria, right? So mild tertian malaria, but is mild symptoms are found in the body. So mild tertian malaria. This oval to cause to human being the disease is called mild tertian malaria, right? Next species is called okay. So Plasmodium falciparum. Plasmodium falciparum, right? Plasmodium falciparum is very, very important. Plasmodium falciparum, it is a what might it cause to human is very dangerous disease. If it is a Plasmodium falciparum parasite which is enters in our body, clear? So what happens? Immediately the person is going to die. Immediately the person is going to die. That's why it is very dangerous. So that's very dangerous. It is a malignant. What, ma? Malignant malaria. It is also called what, ma? Malignant malaria. It is called what, ma? Malignant malaria. Plasmodium falciparum, it is called what, ma? Malignant malaria. Clear? Now, coming to the point. Next, fourth species, right? That is called Plasmodium malariae. What, ma? Plasmodium malariae. Plasmodium malariae. Okay, this is the fourth species, malaria. So genus are common. How many species are there? 4 species are there. One is Plasmodium vivox, oval, falciparum, and malaria. Malaria is called what, ma? Plasmodium malaria is called to cause to human beings, the person suffering from the disease. That is called, ma? Quartan. What, ma? Quartan malaria. Remembering one thing. Quartan malaria. Clear? This is a 4 species are what happened, ma? To cause to malaria disease in human beings. Clear? Understood? One is Plasmodium vivox, and Plasmodium oval, Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium malaria. Clear? Coming to the point. See, this is caused by. Now, one more important point. See, okay. Now, see what happened, ma? This is completed. Now, transmission. Next what beta? Transmission. Come on, tell me. Already told introduction. Transmission. It is infected from one person to other person. It is transferred from one person to other person by biting of Anopheles female mosquito. Female Anopheles mosquito. Right? Transmission from one. It is transmitted from one person to other person. One person to other person. What happened now? By biting of female Anopheles mosquito. FAM means what ma? Female Anopheles mosquito. Clear? What ma? Female Anopheles mosquito. By biting of female Anopheles mosquito. Clear? Now, see, that means this, what happened ma? Here, infection stage of Plasmodium. What ma? Infection stage of Plasmodium. Which stage which is carried? The mosquito which is carried from what happened ma? Transmit the inject into the one person to other person. Which infection stage? That is called what happened ma? Sporozoite. What happened ma? Sporozoites. Sporozoites. SPOROZ. SPOROZOITES. Sporozoites. The sporozoite is an infection stage from one person to the other person while the mosquito is biting. Okay, actually these sporozoites which are present in the saliva get ready to infect from one person to the other person. While biting of mosquito, that what happens? Sporozoite from saliva to enters into bloodstream. Right. So that is important about the injection. That means infection stage. That is sporozoite of Plasmodium. Clear? Now, coming to the point. These Plasmodium. Okay, now Plasmodium. Okay, these Plasmodium is a digenic parasite. Na? Digenic parasite. Okay, now Plasmodium is a which ma? Plasmodium is a digenic parasite. Digenic parasite means what ma? Samrin, can you say the answer?
Two.
Tell me ma. Rajasi.
It take two hosts. It take two hosts, sir.
Very good, Raja. Very good, ma. Thank you very much, Raja. So the Plasmodium vivax, it takes plus two hosts, ma. Two hosts. So that's why. So what are the two hosts are there here? What are the two hosts, ma? Live two hosts. Very good. Very much.
Primary host and definite host.
Very good. Primary host and definite host. Thank you for your response. Right. So digenic parasite means which is having primary host or definitive host. Primary host and definite host. And the secondary host or intermediate host also there. Okay, come on, tell me. Plasmodium vivax. Plasmodium vivax. Okay, so which is living in which is the primary host, which is the secondary host? Come on, tell me. Any idea? Just now I told you hint.
Primary host mosquito.
Primary host whose?
Mosquito.
Why? Why mosquito primary host? Okay, you have answer. Already told you beginning, already given introduction. Okay, primary host is mosquito. Okay, ma, clear, maha. Why the mosquito is primary host? Why the mosquito is definite host? Come on, tell me. Already given.
Because it life cycle takes sexual reproduction is take mosquito.
In where? In mosquito in where?
Stomach.
Fantastic answer. Very good. Very good, ma. Thank you. Thank you, Samrin. I hope you understand some. Yes, yes, Afroz. Yes, got it. The answer, right? Very good. Thank you. Thank you very much. That's why this is our legendary students. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, BJC and MJC. Thank you very much for responding. Okay. Done. Very good. So these Plasmodium primary host, definitive host, that is none other than not man. Okay. Now remembering one thing. The primary host, definitive host, that is called mosquito. Female Anopheles mosquito. Female Anopheles mosquito is a what happened now? Is a definitive host on primary host. Why? Because in primary host of mosquito stomach, what happened? Just I told you last cycle, sexual life cycle takes place. So if the sexual life cycle, the Plasmodium, the parasite sexual life cycle takes place in the host, that host is called what, ma? Primary host and definitive host. Got my concept? Okay, clear, I think, right? Now, next one, ma? Come on, tell me, you can expect secondary host, intermediate host. Who's?
Man.
Yeah.
Human being.
It is none other than man. Human beings are. Man is a fantastic example for the secondary host because of asexual life cycle. What cycle, ma? Asexual life cycle takes place. Yes, sexual life cycle takes place. Sexual life cycle takes place in the host, that is called primary host or definitive host. Asexual life cycle takes place in the host, that is what happened, ma? You know very well. Secondary host, intermediate host. That is clear. So I think make clear. Right. So this is a digenic parasite. Now coming to the point. So it is clear. Okay. Now very, very important thing, mark clinical symptoms. Clinical symptoms. Okay. So what are the clinical symptoms we are facing? Right. Mainly, right. So here malaria fever, that is two types of fever are there. Hot fever and cold fever. What, ma? Hot fever and cold fever. Hot fever and cold fever, two types of fever we are, the malaria disease we are suffering. So immediately hot, that means sweating comes outside. What symptoms, ma? Sweating. Immediately sweating, then after cold fever. Okay, immediately cold fever. Sweating, cold fever, hot fever, sweating, headache. Headache also, we are suffering from headache, and sometimes vomitings also takes place. Sometimes abdominal pain. What I mean? Abdominal pain. Okay, next one, loss of appetite. Loss of appetite. Appetite is but APITI. A loss of appetite is but there is no taste. Whether you are eating any food item, unable to eat. So that's my loss of appetite. Loss of appetite. Okay, and what happened, ma? Abdominal pain, vomiting, headache, cold fever, hot fever. How much fever we are facing, right? Here mainly 102 degree Fahrenheit to 105 degree Fahrenheit fever. How much hot fever, ma? How much hot fever we are suffering? Loss of hunger. Yes, very good. Loss of hunger also, right? So that is called heart fever. So loss of that means in the heart fever, what happened? How much fever we are suffering? 102 degree Fahrenheit to 105 degree Fahrenheit fever. Okay, now. So this is a huge fever, huge sweating, huge fever, huge cold. Okay, huge headache, vomiting, abdominal pain, and loss of appetite, and hunger, loss of hunger. Okay, everything. So many problems we are facing in the suffering from the malaria disease. It leads to complete what, ma? It leads to the disease is called what disease? Malaria disease. Malaria disease. This is important about the what happened, ma? Clinical symptoms. Clinical symptoms, right? Now, so mainly one important point, remembering one thing. So that is what happened, ma? So if it is these malaria, the malaria symptoms, malaria disease caused by the chemical substances. This Plasmodium vivax parasite, after completion of the asexual life cycle, it release. Okay, it release. Actually, remembering one thing, these Plasmodium vivax affected organ, very, very, very important affected organ, that is what, ma? RBC. What beta? RBC. Okay, so it is affected on RBC. Remembering one thing. So in the RBC, it is present in intracellular parasite. It is present in the RBC. Whether Plasmodium vivax parasite stages are increased, ultimately RBC size also increase. That is called hyperplastic. That is called what? Hyperplastic means what? The cell size should be increased. In the cell, so many stages are to be increasing. Ultimately, finally, RBC is blasted. RBC is blasted. In that condition, for the blasting of RBC cells, one chemical toxin released into the blood. Third chemical toxin, which is spread throughout the body, the person suffering from malaria disease. That chemical toxin is called. That chemical toxin is called very important. That is called what? Okay, so that is called what? Hemojoin. Hemojoin. HV. HEMOZOIN. Hemojoin. Hemojoin chemical substance which are secreted from by blasting of the RBC, the chemical substance released into the blood, it leads to completely malaria disease. That is very important. So remembering one thing, clear? So this is one of the important leads to diseases, right? So this is one of the important aspects of clinical symptoms. Okay, tomorrow we'll be discussing about it. It is a huge topic is there. Now time is complete left. Okay, tomorrow discussing about the continued topic of Plasmodium vivax. Okay, now so today topic is I think fantastic class completed. Okay, now come and tell me. Anyone can say. Madhuri, you can say. So which chemical substances, which toxin to cause it to malaria disease? Come on, tell me, Madhuri.
Hemozins.
Salma. Okay, Salma, you are the dynamic. Okay, anyone you can say answer, right? Okay, thank you very much. Madhuri, not said answer. Snehita, tell me.